All right, what's up, everybody? It's John with Viper. Just built some SPEC racers, and let's see if I can get it in the camera there. Going to do some testing before we put them in stock. So let's see what these cars can do. Put that mic down here. Okay, make sure we're on 18 volts. Probably get like 2 7s or 2 6s out of these cars probably. These cars are, they come set up with a 432 albino balanced 5.8 motor, pinned rear axle, aluminum independent front end. But just making sure they run. I don't want to crash them too hard and hurt them. So let's see, that one's good. I think these cars too, you can choose what color you want the front end to be. So I built 10 of them, so I just put random colors on them to hope that a few of them have the color that we want. Yeah, this car is spicy. These have silver or gold electrical on them too, depending on what we put on them during the build. These ones have silver. Yeah, that's a good car right there. These cars they're set up for pretty much set up for routed track because of the tire size. So if you're buying one for a snap track, you probably have to put some bigger tires on it. Oops. Dude, I suck. I gotta turn the sensitivity down for that corner. Nope. This car is really pipey. Cool. Oh, someone will be really happy with that car. Whoops, dropped it. Oh. Okay. Wow, that one's really fast. So when I'm testing a batch of cars I just built, basically just listening and watching how the car reacts to the input. Not really trying to race them, even though I get caught up sometimes. I get a really good car and I just want to race it, but I'm listening for front end noise, especially on cars with razor front ends, to make sure that the O-ring is seated and not twisted. And then making sure that the slip-on on the rear is pushed on straight with my fingernail. Listening to make sure that the motor magnets aren't popped out. The cars should be pretty smooth sounding if they're set up correctly with the front tires on correctly, rear tires on correctly. The gear mesh is happy and the motor magnets are in place where they need to be. The only other thing that can happen is sometimes if I'm not putting the cars together, sometimes you'll end up with the traction magnets in backwards, and those need to be put in high downforce, so the car will just act really funky. And I'll make that change during testing. And then the other thing is, if the in-bell gets over-oiled, you'll have a really dog-slow car because the oil will get on the brushes, and so I'll set that car aside if I end up getting one of those where it needs taken apart and sprayed, put back together. So these are Hopra SPEC racers, level 4 cars, 5.8 ohm arms. They come with 432 albino rear, 340 front, pinned rear axle, balanced 5.8 motor. Pretty much set up everything you could want other than maybe your specific tire size for your driving style, but they come set up pretty dang good. This is the last one I'm testing. I built 10 of them. That's a very snappy car. That car's got the purple rims on it. But yeah, that's it for SPEC racer testing. See that brick of those things? Different colored rims. You can choose whatever rim color you want with these and the Hopra CMPM or Polymod, whatever it's called. So just put on there what color rims you want, and we got all of them. If we don't, we'll just let you know. You have to choose another color, but we usually have all the rim colors. You can see the green, pink, blue, traditional, silver. I like the pink. Look really good with some aluminum pink rear rims on it too. But that's it for testing. See you guys in another video. Gonna build some more cars today, so probably see you later.